Peppa Pig Edition Math Quiz for Kids. What is 3 Peppa Pigs plus 2 George Pigs? Let me say that again. 3 Peppa Pigs plus 2 George Pigs equals... The answer is 5. That's 3 plus 2 equals 5 pig friends. Great job! What is 4 daddy pigs plus 1 mummy pig? Think carefully. 4 daddy pigs plus 1 mummy pig equals... Yes. The answer is 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5 wonderful pig family members. What is 2 grandpa pigs plus 3 granny pigs? Let's count together. 2 grandpa pigs plus 3 granny pigs makes... Fantastic! The answer is 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5 lovely grandparents. What is 1 Candy Cat plus 2 Danny Dogs plus 1 Emily Elephant? That's 1 plus 2 plus 1. What does that equal? Excellent! The answer is 4. 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4 fantastic friends. What is 3 Suzy Sheep plus 2 Rebecca Rabbits? Take your time. 3 Suzy Sheep plus 2 Rebecca Rabbits makes... Wonderful! The answer is 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5 best friends. What is 2 Pedro ponies plus 1 Freddie fox plus 2 Mandy mice? That's 2 plus 1 plus 2. What does that equal? Amazing! The answer is 5. 2 plus 1 plus 2 equals 5 playful friends. What is 4 Miss Rabbits plus 1 Grampy Rabbit? Let's add them up. 4 Miss Rabbits plus 1 Grampy Rabbit equals... Super! The answer is 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5 hopping rabbits. What is 1 Mr. Bull plus 2 Gerald Giraffes plus 1 Mr. Lion? Count with me. 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals... Perfect! The answer is 4. 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4 strong friends. What is 2 Mr. Elephants plus 3 LV Pigs? Think carefully. 2 Mr. Elephants plus 3 LV Pigs makes... Brilliant! The answer is 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5 big friends. What is 1 Queen Pig plus 1 Molly Mole plus 2 Wendy Wolves? That's 1 plus 1 plus 2. What's the answer? Outstanding! The answer is 4. 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4 royal friends. What is 3 Zaza zebras plus 1 granddad dog? Let's count those stripes and spots. 3 Zaza zebras plus 1 granddad dog equals. Fantastic! The answer is 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4 striped and spotted friends. What is 1 robo-giant plus 2 candy cats plus 1 Danny dog? That's our robot friend plus some animal friends. 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals. Amazing! The answer is 4. 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4 mixed up friends. What is 2 Freddie foxes plus 3 Emily elephants? Count carefully. 2 Freddie foxes plus 3 Emily elephants makes. Excellent! The answer is 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5 clever friends. What is 4 Pedro ponies plus 2 Suzy sheep? Gallop and count with me. 4 Pedro ponies plus 2 Suzy sheep equals. Wonderful! The answer is 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6 farm friends. What is 1 Gerald giraffe plus 1 Mr. Lion plus 3 Mandy mice? That's tall plus strong plus tiny. 1 plus 1 plus 3 equals. Super! The answer is 5. 1 plus 1 plus 3 equals 5 different sized friends. What is 2 Grampy rabbits plus 1 granddad dog plus 2 Miss rabbits plus 1 Mr. Bull plus 1 Queen pig? That's a lot of friends. Let me repeat. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 equals. Incredible! The answer is 7. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 you get 7 awesome friends. Let us celebrate all our Peppa Pig friends who helped us learn math today. We had Peppa Pig, George Pig, Daddy Pig, Mummy Pig, Grandpa Pig, Granny Pig, Candy Cat, Danny Dog, Emily Elephant, Freddie Fox, Suzy Sheep, Rebecca Rabbit, Pedro Pony, Mandy Mouse, Miss Rabbit, Grampy Rabbit, Granddad Dog, Gerald Giraffe, Mr. Bull, Mr. Lion, Mr. Elephant, Molly Mole, Wendy Wolf, Zaza Zebra, Queen Pig, Elvie Pig, and Robo Giant. Yay! That is all 27 wonderful friends. Subscribe and like this video for more fun. See you next time for more incredible math adventures with Peppa and friends.